What's up guys, it's Kenzy and welcome back to my channel. In case you guys didn't notice last week, I actually kind of added an extra upload in there on Friday, and I'm actually going to be changing my uploading schedule to Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday so that I can get 3 uploads in because I have so much time here because I'm quarantined at my house with no school. So I have lots of cool ideas, but one of them I would need to go out, so I don't know how soon I'll be doing that one, but anyways, today's video is just a little self-care day, and it is actually already 5 o'clock, so we're just going to be doing a little self-care tonight, and I have a little bit of stuff planned in my book, along with some other videos that I have planned, not that way, but so yeah, anyways, first up, I'm just going to do like plucking my eyebrows, and then later I'm going to paint my nails, do face mask and things like that. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So I saw this thing a long time ago that if you hold ice on your eyebrows, it actually makes the pain better when you pluck them, so that's why they're a little red right now. But I'm just gonna do a quick little time lapse while I do this, and I'm just using these, so hopefully we can get them looking a little bit more better than they are. This is also kind of a glow up video too, so let's go. Okay, so got that done, and they're still a little red, so that is why they're red. And now I think I'm going to go outside and do a little run because I need to stay in shape while I'm quarantined for the sports that I will play soon. So I've been running 2 miles, so we'll see how it goes today. And yeah. Okay, so I just got out of the shower, and now I'm going to be doing this pore penetrating black mineral mask. It is an acne treatment, so my acne's been kind of bad lately, so I put my headband in and I pull my hair back just to keep it out of my face. So you definitely don't use this whole bottle, but I've used it a lot before and it always does pretty good. So let's cue the time lapse. Okay, so I got that on, and now I wait about 15 minutes until so it's going to be right at 8 o'clock to wash it off. So I'm going to do a little time lapse here to let you guys see it like dry. So for my nails, I'm going to be doing a base of this kind of teal color. And then on some of them, I'm going to be putting some of this glitter, which I'll be placing with the tweezers. And on others, I'm just going to use this rose gold sparkle. And then I have my little dryer and a Q-tip in case I need to touch up. So here we go. So here are my final nails. This is probably the best one. It's just aqua with some glittery like shapes on them. Sorry, the camera will not focus. Okay, there we go. And then the other ones, this one just has 1 little star and then 2 glitter and 1 plain. And then I did the same thing over here, just the thumb is different colors. If it will focus. There we go. So nails are done. I'm now going to go ahead and edit my video for tomorrow, my extra upload this week. It is a thrift with me that I filmed a couple days ago, and it was a really successful thrift with me. So I'm gonna edit that and then upload that, and then I'll do all the details tomorrow, and then I'm gonna do my workout tonight. I got my video edited. It is 7 minutes and it is a thrift with me. And I'm kind of excited for you guys to see it. So you will see that. It'll already be uploaded when you see this video, but it's going up on Friday. So I'm really excited for this. I'm proud of the editing. Okay, so last but not least, for my self-care evening, it is 11 o'clock, but I always have energy late at night to do my workouts. So I'm going to do a workout, and then I think I'll just watch a couple YouTube videos, and then I'll head on to bed. So I think I'm just going to end the video here. So yeah, thanks for hanging in with me, and hope you're staying healthy with this coronavirus. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a couple days. Thanks for watching.